They love to get wet. They love hot oil dripped all over them. They are gymnasts. They are capable of backflips and front twists. My curls have personality.
So I just washed my hair. If you have watched any of my videos and you see how my hair is in these twists, if you've watched any of my videos before, you already know what these twists mean. Okay, I wash my hair in twists. That's what it is. It's already fairly detangled, so we're just gonna kind of go ahead and just get started with the twist out. Okay, so I took down one twist already, and this is what my hair looks like. I have not added any product to it yet, so we're gonna go ahead and add product. So all the products I'm using for this twist out, I'm using Eco Styler Gel in the green bottle, Tropical Roots Twist Cream, and leave-in conditioner. So first things first, I'm going to take my leave-in conditioner first because I just washed my hair, and this was the first thing I want to add to it to bring back some moisture and hydration to my hair. This leave-in conditioner is the As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in, and I bought the whole line of this. I bought the leave-in conditioner, the shampoo, and the regular conditioner, and I really like it. Just gonna take my comb and just starting from the ends lightly, just comb through. Gonna take a small amount of my Tropical Roots, just like this. Add this to the section. And then for the last step, our Eco Gel. So I'm just gonna take this section and just apply gel down my hair. And as you can see, you can probably see it's starting to curl up a little, like right here. See a little curl starting to form. And I'm a little heavy-handed with the gel, y'all. I'm just gonna be honest, but you really don't have to use as much as I do. But I like to make sure my hair comes out with enough definition. So I'm just gonna rake through it one more time. And then we're gonna start twisting. So how small do I want these to be? And then I'm just gonna start twisting, as you can see. Gonna do a little twirl around my finger, and yeah, that is the twist. As you can see, there's the twist. And now let's do this section. I'm gonna take it, split it in half. So I'm gonna do the center of my head off camera because this, like back here, is gonna be the most challenging for me to get. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna come back to show y'all the rest, okay? So that is pretty much it. So now all you have to do is grab your bonnet, put that on like so. And you want to make sure when you put your bonnet on that none of your twists are bent or, you know, going in like a weird direction. You want to make sure that they're still flat and laying completely down like this. So I'm gonna check back with y'all in the morning, okay? All right, y'all, so it is the next day, and here's the hair all dry and, you know, all that good stuff. I look so bald headed, y'all, like this. Y'all, my hair shrinks so much. And so all this white that you see around my edges, this is hair grease. I just oiled my scalp, so, and it hasn't quite dried around the edges yet, so that's the little white balls that you see. It's just grease, hair grease. So we're gonna start with the back. So I'm gonna just pull this top section up to make sure y'all can see. Okay, so we're just gonna start with this one. Now, I know a lot of people like to, you know, put oil in their hands first and rub it in and kind of rub it through their hair. But I already oil my scalp, and so I don't want to add too much oil throughout my hair. My hair has enough moisture in it, so I don't need to do all that. To unravel, I'm just going to take the ends of this twist like so, and I'm going to just twist it with my fingers in the opposite direction. In the opposite direction of how I twisted my hair, like this. And then it's going to kind of naturally like separate. So I'm just going to separate that like so. Ooh, look at that curl. Okay. And then, you know, if you guys wanted to just untwist it like this, you can. Or if you wanted to just take your time and do it like this, and like you know, you twist it up going this way, but do it the opposite way. To untwist, you can, but you know, it's up to y'all. So I'm just gonna untwist that. And then these are the curls from that twist. Look at it. Oh, they look so cute. Look at that. Okay, girl. And see, that's why I wanted to do them kind of small too, to make sure I got that definition. Look at her. So we're just gonna do the same thing with the next twist. I'm just gonna kind of go in the opposite direction first, and I'm just doing that on the ends, just to make sure when I separate my ends that they don't tangle and my ends start to get frizzy, because I typically have that problem. My ends tend to get frizzy. And then once I know I have the ends undone properly, then I'm just gonna go ahead and separate the strands. And the strands are the easiest part. You don't really have to worry about those getting too frizzy. And so yeah, y'all, this is how it looks. Twist the ends in the opposite direction, separate it, and then now I'm just gonna unravel. Usually I'm a lot rougher. Usually I'm a lot rougher taking down my twist. I just finish it apart. I want to make sure I don't create any additional frizz, and then of course I also want to make sure I'm showing you guys like the proper technique and the proper way to do it. Okay, girl. Alright. So now we're just going to do that for the rest of the head. I have plenty of oil in my hair too, y'all. Like, it's very, very moisturized. I use leave-in condition. I use the Tropical Roots twisting cream, which, y'all, let me tell you, that cream is everything. I use that twisting cream just for like a moisturizer in general for my hair, because it's a really good moisturizer. It's thick, it's oily, like it's good, and it has good hold too. So you like, if you want to use it for like your twist, that's fine. Or if you just want to use it for like a moisturizer just for any like everyday hairstyle, you can definitely use it for that too. Like, it's a very good moisturizer. So I put plenty of that in my hair, and you probably can't really see or tell, but it's very moisturized. You can kind of see it's looking nice and shiny. There's plenty of oil in it. It's feeling soft. You know, it's overall good. And then of course the Eco Gel I added as well. So that is all of the twists. So now I'm just going to kind of put my hands through my hair and just feel around and make sure I didn't leave one. So to separate my twist, we're going to start like with this one right here. Okay. This is the curls, the twist. All right, look at that. And this is too thick of a piece, so I want this to separate in half and my hair to kind of start fluffing out, you know, and fill out. I want it to be full and big. So right at the root is kind of where I typically look at to see like where I'm going to separate my hair, because usually at the root is where it kind of naturally starts to separate anyway. So on this twist, if you can kind of see, like if I kind of pull it like this, you can kind of see this little space right here where it naturally wants to separate. So I'm just going to separate it right here in this space. So let me just kind of feel like this and just take it apart. And then as you can see, we have like another little space, so I'm just gonna separate that there. And these ends. This piece can separate, but I'm gonna leave it for now. I'm gonna wait. So, and now we're gonna do this one next. So here's is a twist. And we're just looking at the roots, and you can kind of see this right here where it naturally wants to come apart. So I'm just gonna put my hands in there and separate that. See? All right, this is the ends. You see how I say what I'm talking about? Like the ends get frizzy, like my ends start to get frizzy. They get frizzy, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna separate it there. I'm gonna leave that piece like how it is. Then we're just gonna separate this one. I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna go ahead and separate that. See? Just like that. And this one's a little harder to see. And see, that's how you know you have a really good twist out. Because sometimes I do twist outs and maybe my twists are just too big. Or they just weren't a good twist. Because sometimes I'll do them and my hair doesn't really separate. Not like separate well. So I have to kind of force it to separate and just ends up being like, you know, real frizzy and just more afro-like than the twist out. So if your hair is like naturally separating, that's how you know you did a good twist out. Like you did a good job with your twist. Especially for my 4C hair ladies. It takes a little more to try to get this definition. So if your hair is naturally separating like how it needs to, then you did a good job. Alright, this one's pretty thick too. So I'm just gonna kind of separate it here. Get that out the way. Gonna separate it. Ooh, right here. And this one is slightly wet. That's okay. So the definition right here, I know it's not gonna. All right, this is what it's looking like. The twist out is looking like so far. So let me just kind of go through here and feel and make sure I didn't leave any that need to be separated, because it's easy to miss some now. I promise you, it's easy to miss. How do I want to do this? Do I want to do a middle part, side part, or no part? Like, do I want to do it like over my face like this? But it's not really. And see, that's the thing too, y'all. Like the curls are cute right now. This is a nice twist out, but it's not gonna be real full right now. But by day 3, baby, this is gonna be bomb. And see, that's one thing about twist outs too. Like, especially if you got like type 4 hair and you do a good twist out like this when your hair is real coily. Like the curl's gonna be cute and stuff, but it ain't gonna be real big. You know what I'm saying? But like day 3 twist outs are the best. Oh my gosh. When your hair starts to just kind of frizz up and starts getting big, those are the best. This is gonna be bomb by day 3. So I'm gonna make sure I record this after a few days so y'all can see the difference. I guess we're gonna do a little side part. It's not as big as I want it to be right off the bat. This is the final look of the hair. Okay, y'all, let's see. And you know, honestly, y'all, I'm very, very, very pleased with this twist out. Let me just say, you know, for all my 4C ladies, my type 4 ladies, okay? You can get you a cute twist out with some definition, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all, this is Natural Hair Simp. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And you know what? Just cause y'all here, just hit the post notification bell so you won't miss anything from me, because I have more uploads coming for you guys. And you know, we like a little family here, and I'm trying to grow my channel, so I need some subscribers. It's free, it ain't gonna hurt you.